create the IKEA effect. What does IKEA effect mean? In 2011, Dan Ariely and his fellow researchers came up with some results and published a paper where they show the furniture that you buy from IKEA, you like them more because you assemble them, you build them. You also, when you create something on your own, you like them more than the other things that's already created. And what do I mean by the IKEA effect in your team? That means involve them in all steps. There are two ways you can assign a task: by giving them the decision that you have taken by yourself, or involve them in every step of the decision-making process and create a feeling of ownership. Extreme ownership is really the key here. So when your people will feel that their project, from the project proposal from budgeting, from planning, in every step, if all the members of the team are involved, they will have a feeling of extreme ownership, and that will create the IKEA effect. Believe me, that will create the engagement and the productivity of your team to a next level.